Guys, I'm about to show you something that you probably have not seen yet anywhere else in the world. The all-new Rizoma Stealth product line by Rizoma for the 2021 Aprilia RS660 and RSV4s. Let me turn the light on. This is it. Very special bike for a very special customer. You got to see it in person. Excited to show this to you guys. All right, so I'm going to highlight all of the Rizoma products that are on this 2021 Aprilia RS660. As of the time of this recording, not seen anywhere else in the world other than the R&D department of Rizoma in Italy. But here they are, the stealth mirrors for the new Aprilia sport bikes. These will fit the RS660 and the RSV4. Let's have a seat. Not a bad audience. BMW M1000RR. We're gonna hook this thing up with some Rizoma Stealth Mirrors and Rizoma stuff in a couple days. Yeah, so cockpit view Rizoma Stealth Mirrors on the 660. As of this recording, we are taking pre-orders for the entire 2021 product line for the Aprilias. Woo! This thing is awesome. Rizoma reservoir. I'll point out the all-new products for the RS660 and 2021 Aprilia RSV4s. So we have the stealth mirrors, the Rizoma gas cap. I'll show you quickly how it works. They come with this little key thingy that allows you to push it down and grab it. Basically keyless. Very easy to use. The folding adjustable levers. They fit this bike perfectly. The brake lever guard, the foot pegs. So these are universal, but the adapter is specific to the RS660. And of course, the light unit front turn signals. Check this out. I'll turn the bike on. Pretty dang stealthy, super bright, just like all the other light unit kits. Let's look at the back. So this is not the Rizoma fender eliminator, but it's a very clean one that we do prefer at this point. But you can see how awesome. These are the Rizoma light unit S models, which are running red lights, red brake lights, and flashing amber turn signals. Why don't we zoom in on something else that's very special about this bike. This is an SC Project full exhaust system. Huge thanks to the folks at SC Project USA for this custom laser etched logo for our good friend Orlando Bloom, who is super excited about this bike. But that is his, I believe that's his production company's logo. Oh yeah, we have the Rizoma rear spools on this bike. You'll notice that they have a shape that is designed to protect the swing arm, to kind of push the rear stand hooks away from the swing arm to prevent scratching. And what else? I'll turn it on in a second, but what else is on this bike? The Spider billet aluminum engine case savers. These are custom laser etched with our Moto Club Santa Monica logo on both sides. Let's take a look at the generator cover side. Yup. And oh, detail, left side Rizoma bar end with a little red ring to match that gas cap. That was Brian Wellman's idea, great idea. And yeah, you know we're gonna do more to this bike. And of course this bike has the solo seat cover. That took forever to get, but we have them now in every color. Let's start this thing for one sec. Not enough ventilation to really let that run, but you know already this thing, the SE Project, is the best sounding exhaust for the RS660 these days. Best looking too. Big shout out to Nate. Thank you for that, sir. So as of the time of this recording, there's a very good chance we'll be sending this bike out to COTA for the Aprilia Racers Days track day, the Monday after the MotoGP event, so that Orlando can enjoy some epic track time at the world-class COTA Circuit of the Americas with us. Of course, we'll be sending out our bikes as well, including the RSV4X, the Tuono X that belongs to one of our best shop friends slash VIP clients. Couple of our Aprilias, and woo! You know I'll grab a bunch of content from Austin, so don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see, and see you in the next video.